Welcome back to our channel. Now, in this episode, I'm going to be showing us how to align an object in your presentation in Microsoft PowerPoint. Now, without taking much of your time, let's dive in.
Now, to align your object in your presentation in Microsoft PowerPoint, if it's an individual alignment you want to do, you just highlight on it, that is, tap on it, and then you come to arrange and click on align, and then you click on the one that you want to do, as you can see. But if you want to align everything, first thing you need to do is to highlight on everything. Highlight on everything. And then come to shape format. Under shape format, you see the option to align. Then for this purpose, I'm going to do align to the top. You can also do align to the center, or align to the middle. As you can see, whatever shape or side you want to align it to, the options are there. It's very, very easy.
And there you have it. Easy, right? So enjoy multi-plays, kindly like, share, and subscribe. And yes, we'll be hosting a free course on Microsoft Office soon. The link will be in the description. See you in the next video next time. Bye.